Reset your wardrobe, a minimalist start. If you want to simplify your clothing choices and have a more mindful wardrobe, creating a minimalist closet is just for you. Getting rid of unnecessary pieces and building a timeless and versatile collection will not only make your life easier but also refine your style. Minimalism is not just about owning fewer items but also making conscious and functional choices. 1. Evaluate your wardrobe. Take out all your clothes and examine them one by one. Identify pieces that don't make you happy, that you haven't worn for a long time, or that don't fit well. You can donate, sell secondhand, or recycle the ones you no longer use. You can categorize your clothes into 3 groups: definitely staying, not sure, and to go. Store the uncertain items in a box and try wearing them for a set period. If you still don't use them, it's time to let them go. 2. Identify essential pieces. A minimalist wardrobe should consist of timeless and versatile pieces that go well together. Basic white and black t-shirts, classic jeans, a blazer, a simple dress, and comfortable shoes are essential items that can be styled for any occasion. Additionally, adjust your essentials according to the seasons. Choose lightweight fabrics like linen for summer and warm materials like wool and cashmere for winter. 3. Choose your color palette. The key to a minimalist wardrobe is having a defined color palette. Neutral tones, white, black, beige, gray, navy, ensure that your clothes mix and match effortlessly. However, this doesn't mean your wardrobe has to be dull. You can add a few vibrant colors or patterned pieces to express yourself. For example, a pastel blouse or a bold accessory can help personalize your minimalist wardrobe. 4. Prioritize quality. Buying fewer but high-quality pieces will save you money in the long run and help you build a stylish and durable wardrobe. Opt for natural fabrics and well-stitched garments. Consider which brands align with your values and which materials suit your skin best. Choosing natural fabrics like cotton, linen, silk, and cashmere instead of synthetic ones will enhance your comfort and ensure longevity in your wardrobe. 5. Enhance with accessories. Minimalism doesn't mean boring. You can add a personal touch to your style with a few well-chosen accessories. A sleek watch, a classic bag, or minimalist jewelry can elevate your outfits. Gold and silver jewelry, in particular, are timeless and effortlessly complement any look. Keeping your accessories minimal will also help you avoid unnecessary clutter. 6. Rethink your shopping habits. Transitioning to a minimalist wardrobe is not just about decluttering but also about making mindful purchases. Avoid impulse buying driven by fashion trends. Before purchasing a new item, ask yourself, can I style this in at least 3 different outfits? If the answer is no, reconsider your decision. A minimalist wardrobe not only simplifies your fashion choices but also speeds up your decision-making process and brings more order to your life. Start today by letting go of the excess and creating a more intentional and stylish wardrobe.